Hey everybody, this is Alex from 3D Chimera. We're here live at FORMNEXT, and I thought I'd give you guys a quick tour of our booth. It's right before the show here opens. This is the 3D Chimera Dyeformer booth. We're in B41C. It's part of the USA Pavilion. So really exciting to be here with lots of other US-based companies. You can see here, this is our Dyeformer. So for those of you who have already gotten a Dyeformer, you'll see that on the outside everything's looking pretty similar, but you'll notice here something very special, and that is that we've now got a wide variety of colors. So we actually have 8 new colors here. So last year, if you came by, all we had was black. Now we've got a whole rainbow of colors. And here's some examples of what those colors look like. So on white HP parts, here it is on a couple of EOS parts. You got PA11, you got TPU, you got some PA12 material here, another PA11 from a different vendor, TPU. And this is what the colors look like on the HP PA12 that's gray, on the HP TPE, the HP PA11. Then you can see the colors here on some Syntratech parts, a little bit darker, on the TPE, on the PA12. And you can even see that on some resin parts here. So this is what they look like on gray resins. This is what they look like on clear resins. So you can see those are actually the same colors on different base materials. So the key is that when you've got a dark color base material, then you're going to get dark colors on the range. When you've got a lighter color, you're going to get brighter colors. And of course, when you start with white, you're going to get the brightest colors. So that's how that works. We have another exciting announcement this year, and that is that we've doubled the size of our basket. So up on top here, you can see the original size of the basket, and here's our new basket. For anybody that has a Dyeformer, you can actually purchase this basket separate. It'll fit right inside your tank, and we'll go ahead and double the capacity on that system for you. Now, I've got a couple of awesome sample parts up here. We've got some EOS parts you can see here, a dyed orthotic brace there. See some different models here dyed in different colors. These are pretty cool. This is actually a TPE, so flexible material. We're able to dye that. You can see here's the rainbow of our dye colors, some resin parts that have been dyed there. As we come down, you can see a couple different HP parts here, all dyed, in this case all black. Here's a wide variety of materials that are dyed from AM polymers. So here we have PBT, this is PA11 carbon fiber. We've got a bunch of PA12 parts. This is their TPU material. We're able to dye that as well. Here we've got a bunch of Syntratech parts for those of you guys who have Syntratech. Of course, you know that this works great. This is actually Gabor here. He's the head of sales and marketing for Syntratech, and he's a big fan of the system, so very proud to showcase that. So you can see here the system is compatible with a really large variety of materials. We're very excited this year. We have a bunch of testimonials from happy customers all across the globe. So if you are here, make sure to swing by, grab one of our new flyers, check out the new colors, and come grab a little candy here. You'll notice we've got a little bit of Taste of the Rainbow here. So hopefully we'll see you again. Booth B41C. in the USA Pavilion. If you're in Hall 11, that is down hallway A. So hopefully anybody that's here will get to see you, and we look forward to working with everyone who's interested. If you can't make it to Frankfurt, shoot me a message. We'll be happy to work with you remotely. We can set up a video meeting, whatever works. All right, thanks guys.